Okay, let's see the word problem. 15 is Helen Weller invest $10,000 in account that pay 10% APR. How much additional money must be invested in account that pay an APR 13% so that the interest is equal to the interest into investment at the rate 11%. Okay, for solving this problem, we set out the table like that. In the table, we have 3 rows: interest, APR, annual percent rate, principal money, and interest. Okay, let's fill out. We have 3 accounts. The 3 accounts that we have is 10, 13, and 11. The principal money is equal, o sea, is 10,000, and you don't know this, you put a variable y and x, and the interest is equal to multiplication principal times APR. You multiply this times this, this times this, and this times this in order to get the interest. Is 10,000, 10% is 1,000. You convert this in decimal, divided by 100 and multiply by y is 0.13y, and likewise 0.11x. Now finally the equation is this money, 10,000 plus y is equal to x, is the first equation, and the second equation is 1,000 plus 0.13y equals 0.11x. So we have 2 equations and 2 variables. It's a typical problem in algebra. Okay, this is a system of equations and we solve it. In this case, I propose by substitution because the sec is isolated. So I copy the second equation is 1,000 plus 0.13y is equal 0.11 parenthesis 10,000 plus y, and you apply distributive property here is equal 0.11 times 10,000 is 1100 plus 0.11y. I tried, for example, I'm moving 0.13y stay here, minus 0.11y is equal, on the right hand side we have 1100 minus 1000 is equal 100. And we combine like term here is 0.013 is 0.02y is equal 100. Finally divided by 0.02 both sides, y is equal, division here, you see calculator or whatever, in this case easy, is basically $5,000. It corresponded with the option C. Okay, in the problem 15, the answer is C, is $5,000. Okay, the problem 16 is in chemistry classes, 3 liters of 4% silver iodide solution are mixed with 10% silver iodide solution to get 6% solution. How many liters of 10% solution are needed? Okay, this is problem 16. The table that we fill out is this. We have three row: concentration, volume, or mass. The concentration in our problem is 4, 10, and 6%. The volume is for the 4% we have 3 liters, and the other we don't know, x and y, put a variable. And the mass is the multiplication. Concentration time value is multiplication. Multiplication in this case not necessarily convert percentage to decimal. If you want, you can, but not necessarily. So you multiply this 12, 10x, and 6y. Now our equation is then 3 plus x equal y, 3 plus x is equal y. So this is the initial on the left hand side, and the right hand side we have final. Like y, 12 plus 10x initial is equal final, 6y. Good. Okay, this is our equation. We apply algebra again. I use a substitution because y is isolated. So this expression 3 plus x substitution here in the second equation. Entonces we have 12 plus 10x is equal to 6 times 3 plus x. And you apply distributive property here. It's 18 plus 6x. Okay, now 10x stay minus 6. I'm moving this to the left. In the right hand side we have 18 minus 12. Combine like term is 4x equal 6 divided by 4 both sides. X is equal, and 6 over 4 reducing lowest term is 3/2. 3/2 is equal 1.5 in decimal liters. Okay, corresponding with the option A. Okay, the solution for the problem 16 is this option, 1.5 liter. Okay, 17 problem. A garage owner wants to fill 55-gallon drum with 20% winter mixture of antifreezing for his customer. How many gallons of the 100% pure antifreezing should be mixed with some 10% antifreezing mixture in order to fill the drum? Okay, let's fill out the table. The table is concentration, value, and mass. In our problem we need 20%, and we have two initial concentration is 110. The amount that we need at the final 55 gallons, we don't know how many you need to mix the x and y. And finally the equation, mass is equal concentration time value multiplication this and this is this number is this expression and this expression. Therefore our equation is, okay, our equation is this value plus this value is equal to 55 gallons, and this mass plus this mass is equal to this mass of the antifreezing substance. Okay, this is our system. I propose, for example, in the equation number 1, solve for y is equal then 55 minus x. And substitution this expression in the second equation to say is 100 x plus 10 times 55 minus x is equal to 1100. Now multiplication, this and this and that is 100x plus 550 minus 10x is equal 1100. Okay, combine like that. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90x is equal 1100 minus 550. And when you're subtracting, it's a coincidence, it's the same, 550 divided by 90 both sides, by 90 both sides. X is equal 550 divided by 90. At least cancels out the 0, and basically we have 55 divided by 9. Obviously 6 is 54, and the remainder is 1. It is 1/9 gallons is the answer. Okay, and the problem 17, the answer is D, que es 6/1/9 gallons.